Hello, hello there. Again, we are here in South Estonia, and today I'm going to show you how to make a boho bouquet. So beautiful. Oh. The idea is this Hydrangea is like base of this bouquet, that we don't have to use so much greens. Lovely, lovely willow, weeping willow. And so I make the lines here. Yes. Okay. And I put this. This is so good, and you know, here I keep also a spiral. I come to show you in the camera. I put it under the Hydrangea. The tying point of bouquet is quite high. It comes easier that 90 degrees angle here. And I use roses, which ones are a little bit opened because they are much more better looking in boho. But try to explain to the customers. This is very beautiful. Tiantos. Be careful of that you don't break the stem. And this is very nice. I got them a little bit shorter. Boho style was naturally first came from gypsies, actually. If the shape is changing, you can take the flowers and put them back again in the place. And it's so normal. Here is so lovely. Now I have to take it here on the table. Now I add here natural materials, and then I tie it, cut it and tie it. Before you cut the stems, you can raise those roses and materials up and down. You can move them, and don't cut them too short. Now I show you how to tie this bouquet. So I was put it this one like double, and I just turn it around here. And thank you for watching this video. I'm so glad that I was made it before it's dark. See you in the next video, and have a nice evening or day, whatever. Yes, thank you very much.